Uttar Madhyama is a degree awarded
by Sampurna
Sanskrit University.
Sanskrit University.
You applied for what post? Now this is not Uttar Madhyama, it is Upshastri.
My lord, Madhyama.
Show that Uttar Madhyama is equivalent to Upshastri.
No, my lord. This is my lord. I was appointed, and then my lord, the person who was.
You were appointed when?
My lord. I was appointed in the second second conciliation, my lord. My lord, the petitioner has, my lord, challenged the order passed by the State Appellate Authority, whereby the appointment of the petitioner was cancelled on the ground that she was holding the degree of Uttar Madhyama from Sampurnanand Sanskrit University, and that was not, my lord, she was not qualified for being appointed as on a general teacher. My lord, the matter relates to appointment process of year 2006. My lord, initially the petitioner was not called for the counselling, and subsequently, my lord, by order of this honorable court, fresh counselling was conducted, and she was invited for, my lord, counselling, and where her appointment was, my lord, made. And the earlier appointed teacher who has filed the, my lord, appeal before the State Appellate Authority, her appointment was cancelled and the petitioner was appointed. So, my lord, the short question of law in this case is, my lord, that this honorable court has already decided that prior to 2008, when this disqualification was imposed upon those persons who have obtained degree from Sampurnanand University, since this process was of the year 2006, the amendment made in year 2008 would not be applicable upon, my lord, this petitioner, your lordship. And this, my lord, this honorable court in LPA, my lord, I have annexed, my lord, LPA number 407 of 2014.
You are challenging what order?
My lord?
You are challenging which order?
My lord, annexure 3, my lord, page 40. State Appellate Authority, order passed by the State Appellate Authority. The State Appellate Authority, my lord, was of the view that since the petitioner was holding the degree of Uttar Madhyama from Sampurnanand University, and on the basis of my lord, notification of the state government in the year 1983, she was not, my lord, qualified to be appointed as a general teacher, teacher of a general subject, my lord. That 1983 notification was not brought on record merely because this 1983 notification was quoted in the order passed by this honorable court in another LPA, my lord. On that basis, the State Appellate Authority has come to conclusion that in the year 1983 itself, the state government has barred such person from being appointed as a teacher of a general subject, my lord. That notification was not brought on record, and that LPA, my lord, I have also annexed the order of the LPA, my lord.
Uttar Madhyama is a degree awarded by
Sampurna
Sanskrit University.
Sanskrit University.
You applied for what post?
My lord, in the year 2006, my lord, I have applied for a teacher of general subject, my lord, not Sanskrit. Then, my lord, the amendment which was brought on by the state government disqualifying such teachers being appointed on general subject was in the year 2008. And this honorable court, my lord, in LPA number 407 of 2014 has already held that such amendment cannot have retrospective effect, my lord. It cannot be used to debar any person for holding such post, my lord, prior to 2008.
Where is that order?
That is, my lord, annexure 5, page 68, my lord.
68.
My lord. It starts from page 68, my lord, and the relevant portion, my lord, is.
Relevant portion is?
My lord, it is paragraph 14, my lord, page 79. Last 3-4 lines, my lord. The appellants were appointed prior to the amendments as Panchayat Shikshak in 2006 by virtue of operation of rule and appointed in terms of unamended rule, and as such their appointment cannot be nullified by applying the amended rule 2008, and as such the judgment of writ court in CWJC number so and so is unsustainable. In this case, my lord, the process was initiated in the year 2006. And subsequently, by order of this honorable court, my lord, the process was re-initiated because there were some irregularities.
Amendment mentioned here.
My lord.
In this LPA, where is that amendment part mentioned?
My lord, my lord. That amendment has not been quoted, my lord, but it is referred, my lord, in several paragraphs. Particularly, my lord, in paragraph 7 at page 76, in the contention of the counsel for the petitioner.
Now this is not Uttar Madhyama, it is Upshastri.
My lord, Madhyama.
Show that Uttar Madhyama is equivalent to Upshastri.
No, my lord, this is in respect of all the degree given by the Sampurnanand.
Let us know that what is the how,
Madhyama, Uttar Madhyama,
Uttar-
Upshastri, my lord.
what is the equivalence of Uttar Madhyama?
Intermediate, my lord. Madhyama is matric, Uttar Madhyama is intermediate, my lord.
So you are Uttar Madhyama.
My lord.
And that was equivalent for
intermediate, my lord.
So you were appointed in 2006?
My lord, the process was initiated in the year 2006. I was not invited for counseling, my lord.
Then?
My lord, thereafter, my lord, one of the candidates challenged the process, my lord, and this honorable court, my lord, subsequently held that there were irregularities in the counseling process and directed to reinitiate the entire counseling process. So, my lord, the appointment was of the year 2006 and the process was reinitiated. So, my lord, it is for the vacancy of the year 2006 itself, my lord. I've got the order of this honorable court, whereby the order of this honorable court has that.
What happened?
My lord, thereafter, my lord, I was called, since I was not called earlier, again in the second counseling, I was called, my lord, and then I was found to be a better candidate than the person who was appointed earlier in the year 2006 when those irregularities were committed. In the year 2006, I was not, my lord.
You were selected or what?
I was selected. I was discharged.
Why don't you tell us the entire facts?
I'm sorry, my lord. I'm sorry. I just overstepped your lordship. My lord, I was appointed, and then, my lord, the person who was.
You were appointed when?
My lord. I was appointed in the second second conciliation, my lord.
Right.
In the year 2017, my lord.
All right, then?
Then, my lord, the person who was earlier holding the post, she had challenged my appointment before the district appellate tribunal, my lord, and her application was rejected. And thereafter, she filed an appeal before the state appellate authority. And the state appellate authority, while holding that the process should be considered of the year 2006 itself, but came to a conclusion that in the year 1983, the state government has issued some notification whereby they have barred the person from Sampurnanand University, holding degree from Sampurnanand University, to be appointed as a teacher for general subject. And that 1983 notification was not brought on record. It was inferred, my lord, from an order passed by this honorable court in another LPA. That I have next as an Annexure 4, my lord. Though that LPA, my lord, and that was, my lord, my humble submission is that was completely misconceived, because the LPA relates to, my lord, degree of my lord Shiksha Shastri, that is equivalent to B.Ed.
Para 10 of the counter affidavit.
Annexure 4 at page 55, my lord, order of this honorable court, with regard to, my lord, appointment of regular teacher, not panchayat teacher, regular teacher, my lord, and that, my lord, the question relates to degree of Shiksha Shastri, which is equivalent to B.Ed, my lord.
All right. Yes, what do you have to say?
My lord, in para 10 of the counter affidavit, it is stated that the petitioner obtained degree of Uttar Madhyama from Sampurnanand Sanskrit.
The notice has to be served on someone else.
My lord, notice
in
to
view
private
of
respondent, my
order
lord.
by this honorable court in the
Respondent
case of
number 9.
9, my lord.
Shaktinath Misra.
That notices go to respondent number 9.
Right.
You are working?
No, my lord, I have been, but, my lord, I have located application for stay of the order, my lord.
Well, if you are not working, then
My
what
lord,
can
after filing of my application, my lord, I have been removed.
All right.
During the pendency of this writ application, my lord.
The other person has been appointed.
Perhaps, my lord, yes. No, I'm not aware, my lord, but I have been removed.
All right, issue notice. Returnable 4 weeks by ordinary as well as registered post. Dusty.
My lord,
Dusty.
interim order, my lord.
What?
I have
say that you have been already removed. Where can
that I have challenged, my lord, by way of.
Well, that is what is there, but status quo ante cannot pass without hearing the other side.
My lord, some
Let
date,
that
some
come.
date may be fixed, my lord.
After 4 weeks date.